everyone, I'm Serena from 3rd year CSC. This is my 5th experiment of Unix Lab. In this experiment is about file processing using cut and grep. For that, my question is, this one. To write a shell script that takes a UID as an argument, and for my case, the question is to take the username as an argument and print out the user's name, home directory, shell, and group number, and print out the name of the group corresponding to the group number and other group users. So for that, I have to use /etc/passwd and /etc/group files. So for that, so first I'll show you what is there in /etc/passwd. So here, as you can see, this is my /etc/passwd details. It has 7 fields. First is the username, and then you can see here X, that is password, and then user ID, and then group ID, then user ID details, and then home directory, and after that we have your shell. So as you can see here, there is colon, that is delimiters. And now I'll show you the details of my /group, etc/group. And now you can see here /etc/group. This has 4 fields. First field is about group name, and then password, then group ID, and then the users under this group. So I have to display the question which I have given. I have to display the username, then its user ID, and then its home directory, shell, and then the group name to which it belongs to. So for that, my code is so this is my shell script. Here I'm giving the username, and then by using that username, I'm taking all the data from /etc/password to tmp.txt text file, and then I'm displaying. Since there were 7 sections in /etc/passwd, in that I need username. It was in field 1. So for that, cut is used to select any section from text file. Here we have 7 fields, so cut is used to select field. Here -d, here this is delimiter. Colon means using column it is divided into different fields, and -f, this we are using to select the field number, what field we want to display, and the text file in which the data is stored, from where we have to select the data to display. As username is in field 1, that's why I have used here -f1, and for user ID, user was in field 3, that's why here field is 3. Then group ID, that was in field 5, that's why I have written here 5, and then home directory 6, default shell, that was 7. Now for group name, for the same username, I'll select the group details from /etc/group. I will take all the details that belongs to this username to the temporary text file, that is tmp1.txt, and same as I have took the details from temp text for user details. For group name also I'll do the same thing. As group name, that was displayed in field 1. In group it has 4 fields, so first field shows the group name, so that's why I'm taking here field 1. I'll run and show you. I'm giving here username as ADM. So as you can see here, for the username ADM, the user ID is 3, group ID is ADM, and then user's home directory is /var/ADM, default shell is /sbin/no-login, then group name is sysadm. So as you can see here, I've given here ADM as the username. Here you can see ADM, this is the username, and this is the user ID, and then this is the details of the user, and this is the as you can see here, this is the home directory, and this is my default shell /var/ADM, that is displayed here. And that is displayed here as an output. And for group name, it is checking, as you can see, group name is sysadm. ADM was my username. For that it is checking, see here, this is the names of the users. So ADM, it belongs to 2 groups, sys and ADM, the field 1 in /etc/group. So this is my output. So this was my 5th experiment of Unix Lab. Thank you for watching.